Are you looking for a wholesale in your current Shopify dropshipping store? As you can know that there are plenty of apps available for the Shopify wholesale, and those apps will cost you around monthly charges. They will put some monthly charges, and it will start from around 25 to 50 US dollar. And if you don't use the app, there is another option for you, that is the Shopify Plus plan, and that will cost you around 2500 US dollar. So it will be very costly to use both the platform, the app one and the Shopify Plus one. So I created a functionality that will be added in your theme, so you can run a drop shipping store with wholesale. So as you know that there are plenty of functionality available in the YouTube video as well, in which they will provide you that using that code you can create the wholesale area. But in that, you need to duplicate the inventory, and duplicate inventory will create some problem in your store, like you need to manage two inventory. So this is the functionality that I created. Let me show you the functionality that I created. So like you are selling a drop shipping products into your store, so like retail one. So retail area is simple area, and the people can just go and buy purchase. And if you can see, the prices are here. So what my functionality do is, after login, I created the test users. So after login as a wholesale customer and sign in, the customer wholesale, it is showing wholesale account, the customer will get the discount. So like you can set the percentage discount on your current products that will be available only to the wholesale customers. So like if you open this product, as you can see, it is message showing that you will receive the 50% off on the checkout if you buy this product. So if someone add this product as a wholesaler, so it will work only for the wholesaler. So if they add, you can see the prices changed. So the prices change, and the coupon is applied, and the coupon will be automatically applied on your cart. And this coupon only work for the wholesale, so it is not like just someone just copy and paste on the retail area and they will work. No, it will not work on the checkout. If you put that code, it will ask you that login as a wholesale customer, so it will be difficult for them. So this is the functionality that you, if you want on your store, in which you can just set the discount for the wholesale customer. So your retail area remains same and everything remains same, but the only thing that you can set the discount in percentage, so you can choose the percentage value as well. So if you choose like the 50%, 30%, so it will be usable for the wholesale customers. So like if you want to sell in future, you can do it right now, and it is very easy to manage. You don't need any app or Shopify Plus plan, and you don't need to create a duplicate inventory on your store. So you can use the current inventory and don't need to worry about that. So if I log out, I can see the details area, and the prices are same. So this is the functionality. That if you want this functionality, I shared a link in the description as well in the comment section. Using that link, you can just open this website, add wholesale area. In this is showing the discount type with same inventory and the feature. So you can choose this one, discount type with the same inventory, so that the inventory will remain same. You don't need to duplicate the inventory, and you can purchase it. And after purchasing, I will ask you about the store access. And store access, I will install this functionality on your store, and then you can set the percentage discount that you want to give to your customers. So this is the functionality. If you like, you can share and copy the video as well. Thank you so much, and I hope you like this system, other than the duplicate inventory system that are plenty available on the YouTube videos and on the other website as well. So this is the new functionality that is only available. Use this before the price goes up, because if I get too many requests, then price will go up. Thank you.